Happy Easter.
Happy Easter! 3 days after Good Friday.
It's sometime in March, in April.
In 19th of March.
Did you know that next week is Easter? No.
Jesus died for my sins.
No, wait a second, wait. Tell me the story of Easter. Tell me.
It's when Jesus died on the cross and the soldiers bring him to the tomb, and 3 days later he is alive.
Once upon a time, there was a bunny. This bunny was loved Easter.
All the friends
And then there were 3 high-paw friends. They found the eggs. But then the rabbit was fast, so it took all the Easter eggs. It was so sad. But then I got all the but then the rabbit hid it, and then again they took it, and then there was 1 egg left, and it's for the rabbit. That's all.
Easter is about Jesus and it's about egg.